Hey everybody, John Martinez here with my lovely co-host
Zoe Martinez, and today is episode 5 of the 90-day video challenge. We just got back from the gym, which gave us a good idea for tonight's video.
That's right, Zoe. So in tonight's video, we wanted to talk to you about mind, body, and business. Now, as you first think about that, you may not think that they are interconnected, but they are. And in our family, we have this motto. We created a motto for our family, and the motto goes something like this. It goes sound mind, sound body, sound business. And so the way that we view all of those different components, those 3 different components, is that one really supports the other. And so if your mind isn't sharp and you don't have the proper mindset, then you won't be able to perform at your peak levels when it comes to your business. And also by having the proper mindset and a strong mind, it will also push you through the challenges of actually getting to the gym to train your body, again, so that you can perform at peak levels. Having a strong body, of course, gives you the energy that you need, again, to perform well in the other 2 areas. So they are all interconnected, even though you may not think so on the surface. They all actually, one supports the other one. So we just wanted to bring you that quick thought today as we were at the gym. And so that's it for tonight. We will see you tomorrow. Ciao for now.